The living room war is officially over. For years, we've looked at that little black box under our TVs as a nice-to-have accessory. A way to watch Netflix, maybe play a few mobile games, and mirror our iPhones. But as we sit here in 2026, Apple is about to pull the trigger on a strategy they've been building for a decade. If you were thinking about buying a PlayStation 5 Pro, a high-end Roku, or even a dedicated smart home hub, stop. Seriously, stop. Because the 2026 Apple TV 4K isn't just a refresh. It's a total reimagining of what the center of your home is supposed to be. Today, we are going behind the curtain. We're looking at the leaked A18 Bionic silicon that's turning this into a stealth console. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The radical $99 price point that's designed to wipe out the competition, and the Apple Intelligence integration that makes every other smart TV look like a calculator from the 90s. If you think you know what an Apple TV does, forget it. The rules have changed. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the silicon. In the past, Apple would give the Apple TV a chip that was a year or two old. It didn't need much power to stream 4K video, right? Wrong. For 2026, the leaks suggest Apple is jumping straight to the A18 Bionic or even a bin-down version of the M series. Why? 2 words. Apple Intelligence. To run the new locally processed Siri, the one that actually understands context, remembers your previous questions, and controls your entire home without sending data to a server, you need massive neural overhead. We're talking 8 gigabytes of RAM as the new baseline. That is a 100% increase over the previous generation. But here's where it gets dangerous for Sony and Microsoft. With that A18 chip comes hardware-accelerated ray tracing. We've already seen Apple bringing AAA titles like Resident Evil and Assassin's Creed to the iPhone and iPad. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is the final piece of that puzzle. This is Apple's Trojan horse into the gaming market. You buy it for Ted Lasso, but you stay for the console-quality gaming that doesn't require a $500 box or a monthly subscription to play what you already own on your iPhone. Imagine 4K gaming at 120 Hz, silent, in a box that fits in the palm of your hand. That's the 2026 reality. Now, let's talk about the hardware redesign. The rumors suggest a move away from the black puck look we've had for years. We're looking at a thinner, more industrial design, possibly using a thermal-efficient aluminum top that acts as one giant heat sink. But the real star of the show isn't the box, it's the remote. How many times have you lost your Siri Remote in the couch cushions? It's a universal American struggle. Well, Apple finally listened. The 2026 Siri Remote is rumored to feature the U2 ultra-wideband chip. That means precision finding is coming to your TV. You can use your iPhone to find your remote with centimeter-level accuracy. Find My Remote isn't just a gimmick anymore, it's a standard. And rumors of a small haptic touch bar on the remote itself? That would change the way we scrub through timelines forever. No more accidental fast-forwarding to the end of the movie because your thumb slipped. But let's pivot to the why. Why now? Because the smart home market in the USA is a mess. You have Zigbee, Matter,